Crypto affiliate links sound complex, but they're really just digital referrals. Imagine you recommend a coffee shop to a friend, and the owner gives you a free coffee as thanks. That's affiliate marketing. In crypto, companies like exchanges give you a unique trackable link. When someone signs up or trades using your link, you earn a small commission. You don't need to create products or handle customer service, just share what you already use and trust. It's a beginner-friendly way to earn passive income in crypto. Think of yourself as a guide in the wild west of digital currency. There are tons of platforms: Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, so your recommendation helps newcomers choose. Your link has a special code that ensures you get credit for referrals. Crypto affiliate marketing thrives because the industry is built on digital communities and word of mouth. It empowers individuals, not big ad agencies, to spread the word. For beginners, it's a great entry point. You learn, engage, and earn as you go. The goal isn't to get rich overnight, but to build a foundation of trust and value. Share what works for you, help others, and earn a little along the way. That's the heart of crypto affiliate marketing. It's simple, accessible, and built on genuine recommendations. Ready to get started? Let's see where to share those links. You've got your affiliate link. Now where do you put it? The best spot is where you already provide value: your blog, YouTube channel, or social media. On a blog, write honest reviews or guides and include your link naturally within the content. On YouTube, create tutorials or walkthroughs, then mention your link in the video and description. The key is context. Your link should feel like a helpful next step, not an ad. Social media works too, but focus on building a community, not spamming. In forums like Reddit, be a helpful member first. Answer questions, join discussions, and only share your link when it genuinely fits. Never drop links randomly. That's a fast track to being ignored or banned. Always prioritize value. Help first, promote second. Your audience will trust your recommendations if you're authentic and helpful. Think of your link as a bonus for those who want to take action after learning from you. The right placement is about trust, not just traffic. Build relationships, not just clicks. That's how you turn a link into real value for everyone. Next, let's talk about why honesty is everything. Transparency is non-negotiable in affiliate marketing. Always disclose when you're using an affiliate link. Your audience deserves to know. Add a clear statement at the top of your blog post or in your video. This post contains affiliate links. I may earn a commission if you use them, at no extra cost to you. Hiding this makes you look untrustworthy and can even break the law. People appreciate honesty. They want to support creators who are upfront. Trust is your most valuable asset. Once lost, it's nearly impossible to regain. Being transparent also forces you to be selective about what you promote. Only recommend platforms you truly believe in and would use yourself. If you wouldn't suggest it to a friend or family member, don't promote it. Your reputation is worth more than a quick commission. Honesty builds long-term relationships and a loyal audience. Be open, be real, and your audience will respect you for it. Now let's cover the essential do's and don'ts. Here's your quick start playbook for crypto affiliate marketing. Do promote only what you know and use. Authenticity is key. Don't chase the highest commission if you can't vouch for the product. Do avoid hype and unrealistic promises. Crypto is risky, not a get-rich-quick scheme. Focus on practical benefits and honest experiences. Do provide balanced reviews. Share both pros and cons. Don't just repeat company marketing. Add your own perspective. Do create value first. Write helpful posts, make informative videos, answer real questions. Don't spam your links everywhere, it's annoying and ineffective. Let your link be a natural part of your content, not the main event. Think pull marketing, not push. Draw people in with quality, not desperation. Build trust by being helpful, not salesy. This approach leads to sustainable growth, not quick burnout. Remember, value first, promotion second. That's how you build a real business in affiliate marketing. Let's look at common mistakes to avoid. Avoid these rookie mistakes to protect your reputation. Don't pick affiliate programs just for high commissions. Many new platforms are risky or even scams. Stick with reputable companies like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. Always research before promoting. Check reviews, security features, and user experiences. It's better to earn less from a trusted platform than risk your audience's money. Don't turn your content into a non-stop sales pitch. Focus on solving problems and answering questions. Let your link be a helpful resource, not the main focus. People can spot inauthenticity a mile away. Build trust by offering real value, not just chasing clicks. Your content should be 90% value, 10% call to action. Help first, recommend second. That's the secret to long-term success. Now let's talk about your long-term strategy. The real goal is building trust and a loyal audience, not just earning quick commissions. Think long-term, become a reliable, honest voice in the crypto space. Always put your audience's safety first. Remind them about strong passwords, two-factor authentication, and the risks of crypto. Include disclaimers. You're not a financial advisor and crypto is risky. Encourage your audience to do their own research and never invest more than they can afford to lose. Choose a few reputable platforms you use and create high-quality, helpful content around them. Place your affiliate links naturally and always disclose them. Engage with your community, answer questions, and keep security top of mind. Success takes patience and consistency. It's a marathon, not a sprint. By focusing on honesty and value, you'll build a sustainable business and a reputation people trust. Help others navigate crypto safely, and your influence will grow. Start small, stay honest, and keep learning. That's how you win in crypto affiliate marketing. Now go out there and make a difference.